Reimagining weathered barn siding as sleek modern contemporary interior decor for eco-conscious bedroom design is a powerful example of how sustainable craftsmanship can transform forgotten agricultural materials into refined architectural statements. Across rural landscapes, aging barns stand as silent witnesses to decades of labor, their wooden siding gradually turning a distinctive silver gray as sun, rain, and wind weather the surface over time. While many of these structures eventually fall into disrepair, the timber they contain often remains remarkably strong beneath its aged exterior. Within each plank lies a rich amber core that has been protected for years, waiting to be rediscovered through careful milling and thoughtful design. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. When these weathered boards are reclaimed and reimagined for interior spaces, they carry with them a sense of authenticity and history that modern manufactured materials struggle to replicate. By stripping away the outer layers of wear and revealing the warm grain beneath, designers create a compelling bridge between rustic heritage and contemporary aesthetics, allowing the past to coexist with the clean simplicity of Scandinavian-inspired interiors. The transformation begins with the careful recovery of barn siding, where each plank must be inspected for structural integrity, hidden nails, and areas of deep damage. What initially appears rough and splintered often conceals a dense and beautifully grained hardwood interior that has matured over decades of exposure to natural elements. As the weathered surfaces are gently planed and sanded, the silvery exterior gradually gives way to glowing amber tones, revealing intricate patterns of grain that tell the story of the tree from which the wood was originally cut. These warm hues immediately contrast with the memory of the barn's faded facade, creating a material that carries both rustic character and renewed vitality. Rather than discarding the subtle imperfections left by time, small knots, mineral streaks, and gentle color variations, skilled craftspeople embrace them as marks of authenticity. These details become part of the visual language of the final design, reminding observers that the material has lived a long life before entering its new role within a modern bedroom. Once the reclaimed boards are stabilized and prepared, they are milled into precise geometric shapes that redefine their identity. The concept of tessellated diamond patterns offers a particularly striking method for merging rustic material with contemporary design principles. Each plank is carefully cut into angular segments, forming diamond-shaped modules that can be arranged into repeating patterns across a wall surface. This geometric structure draws inspiration from Scandinavian minimalism, where clean lines and subtle repetition create visual harmony without overwhelming the space. When assembled together, the diamonds form a seamless composition that appears almost architectural in its precision. The once irregular barn boards become part of an elegant mosaic, where every piece contributes to a balanced rhythm of form and texture. The act of transforming these reclaimed wooden diamonds into a wall-mounted decor installation elevates the material from simple lumber to a sculptural focal point. Mounted carefully onto a backing panel or directly onto the wall surface, the tessellated pattern spreads across the bedroom like a piece of living architecture. Light interacts with the angled surfaces of the diamonds, creating gentle variations in shadow and reflection that shift throughout the day. This dynamic quality brings warmth and movement into the room, making the wall feel alive rather than static. Unlike painted surfaces or mass-produced panels, reclaimed barn wood carries depth that cannot be replicated artificially. The natural grain, subtle color shifts, and faint marks of weathering create layers of visual interest that invite closer inspection. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. In an eco-conscious bedroom design, such an installation becomes more than decoration. It becomes a statement about sustainability and responsible living. Modern homeowners increasingly seek ways to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing beauty or comfort. Reclaimed materials provide an ideal solution, allowing existing resources to be reused rather than discarded. By salvaging barn siding that might otherwise decay or be burned, designers extend the life of the timber while reducing the demand for newly harvested wood. The result is a piece of decor that not only enhances the bedroom aesthetically, but also reflects a thoughtful approach to environmental stewardship. Every diamond-shaped panel becomes evidence that sustainable choices can lead to extraordinary design outcomes. The visual harmony between rustic wood and Scandinavian minimalism is particularly well suited to bedroom environments. Scandinavian design philosophy emphasizes calmness, simplicity, and connection to natural materials, all qualities that promote relaxation and well-being. When the warm amber tones of reclaimed barn wood are combined with neutral walls, soft textiles, and understated furniture, the bedroom transforms into a sanctuary that feels grounded and serene. The geometric wall installation acts as a central anchor within the space, drawing the eye without overwhelming the senses. Its organic texture softens the clean lines of modern furniture, while its precise pattern echoes the disciplined order that defines minimalist interiors. The tactile nature of reclaimed wood also contributes to the sensory experience of the room. Unlike synthetic materials that often feel cold or uniform, barnwood retains subtle variations in surface texture that remind occupants of its natural origins. Running a hand across the tessellated panels reveals faint ridges and grain patterns that evoke the material's history. This physical connection to the wood reinforces the idea that interior design can be both visually striking and emotionally meaningful. The bedroom becomes a place where craftsmanship and nature intersect, offering comfort not only through softness and warmth, but also through authenticity. From a design perspective, the use of tessellated patterns introduces a layer of sophistication that elevates the installation beyond rustic decor. Geometry has long been associated with architectural refinement, and the repeating diamond motif reflects principles often found in modern design and art. When applied to reclaimed wood, these geometric patterns demonstrate how traditional materials can be reinterpreted through contemporary frameworks. The juxtaposition of aged timber and sharp angles creates a compelling tension that captures attention while maintaining elegance. It proves that weathered textures do not belong solely in rural settings, but can thrive within sophisticated urban interiors as well. Beyond aesthetics and sustainability, such reclaimed wood installations also carry economic potential within the broader design market. As interest in eco-luxury interiors continues to grow, homeowners and designers are increasingly willing to invest in unique materials that offer both environmental responsibility and visual distinction. Reimagined barn siding meets this demand perfectly. Its rarity, historical narrative, and handcrafted transformation make it highly desirable in a marketplace dominated by uniform products. By presenting reclaimed wood decor as a high-end design feature rather than a rustic novelty, makers position their creations within the realm of luxury interiors. The process of converting agricultural waste into refined bedroom decor also reinforces the idea that creativity thrives within constraints. Working with reclaimed materials requires adaptability and patience, as each plank presents its own dimensions, textures, and irregularities. Rather than seeing these variations as obstacles, designers treat them as opportunities to innovate. The tessellated diamond arrangement itself often evolves organically from the available wood pieces, allowing the final pattern to emerge through experimentation and careful composition. This collaborative relationship between maker and material results in designs that feel both intentional and alive. Ultimately, reimagining weathered barn siding as sleek contemporary bedroom decor demonstrates how sustainable design can achieve both environmental responsibility and aesthetic excellence. By stripping the timber to its glowing heart and reshaping it into geometric compositions inspired by Scandinavian minimalism, designers prove that rustic materials can flourish within modern contexts. Splintered agricultural remnants evolve into a sophisticated expression of eco-luxury, showing that weathered textures, when handled with precision and imagination, belong not only in the countryside, but also in the most refined contemporary interiors. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.